Welcome to my kitchen of wonders.
Chubby, chubby.
That is cold. Banana. Magical bananas. Pepper. Salt. Hold on.
Hey, folks. Okay, this is Salt and Pepper. You might have remembered that old rapper band. Salt and Pepper. Get out of the picture.
Corn.
Corn.
Dude, that's sick. Get down. Wonder corn.
Baked potatoes.
Ow! Ow! Gross corn.
I said get down. I don't know why this is in my kitchen, but I'll take it. Get down.
Cinnamon-monster. Cinnamon-monster. Soap. Orange cup. Honey Maid baked snacks, mineral thin crisps. Sensible solution, 0 grams trans fat, no cholesterol, good source of protein. Trust me, it's a good snack. And it only has 25 fat calories. Good candle, smell it. Oh yeah.
Bum, 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 bum.
Toothpicks.
We need to stop it. It's on about it. No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. I just had a message. Okay, we
Bum,
have
bum,
to.
bum.
We have
No.
to. We have
No.
to. Dude,
I gotta show you one more thing. Look at my mail.
pretty. Oh, no, stop, don't stop it. Yes, stop. The magical wonders of a kitchen. Come back next week for the magical wonders of a bathroom.